For this very hard time, now some people they throw away ego like this. My people, please watch to the end. I will be back.
They throw away money. And they throw away money. Oh, every year don't cast for Benin. Yes, so more than they pick. That's so life and direct. I want to go precise. Life and direct. Oh, Yahoo boys they throw away money. Oh, don't carry your head.
See all these bigger boys, then they throw away ego, and people still go they pick am. Una know say this ego, then they use am for something, then they exchange am with something. I no know the kind of hunger wey be say e dey that obodo Naija wey be say dem no see dey learn from wetin dey happen. People dey show una things say see wetin dey happen. Then they kpai people, then they use people things dey see. Then go say they throw away ego now, still go dey pack. My people, make them wake up. Make them wake up. All this ego wey dem dey throw away, so una no know say dem dey use am take dey exchange another thing. Una no know say dem get the reason why wey dem go dey. Some people go there now we go dey pass, e no go collect this ego. See as dem just dey rush am. My people, if una see all these people say all these bigger boys dey throw away ego like this, make una no take because e get meaning. Please follow me for more.